Looks like it's time to change the oil in our 2001 GMC Yukon 5.3. Stay tuned. First thing I like to do is remove the oil filter. So I'm going to use this oil filter wrench, 6-inch extension, and 3/8 inch drive. So I'll just slip that over here and see if we can't grip it a little bit and twist it loose. It's not super tight, so then we'll just do it the rest of the way by hand. I'll let some of that oil drip off before I remove it. You might want to wear gloves. Keep your hands from getting so oily. I actually keep a rag handy so that I can wipe my hand and not make a big mess. And then I'll go wash my hand in a minute here while I let this drain out a little. I'm just going to put a little oil in the filter so we don't have any lag when we start up the car trying to get oil pressure. And then we're going to take some of this oil and put it on the gasket. So try to give you a close-up here of our surface where the new oil filter is going to go. Still dripping just a little bit. I'm going to wipe it with a clean shop towel, and then we'll be ready to thread our new filter on. Napa Gold. Just carefully make sure we get it started without cross-threading it. Slide it on, and I'm going to tighten it as good as I can by hand, and then I like to use the filter wrench to go another 1/4 to 1/2 turn. That should be good. We're going to drain the oil now from the oil pan. I've got a 15mm socket on my socket wrench. Break this loose without bumping the camera too much. Loosen this by hand. If you've watched any of my previous oil change videos, you'll know that I like to let the oil drain for a long time. The point of changing your oil is to get all the old dirty oil out. So I'm going to take my time. I'm in no hurry. Let this drain out before we cap it up and put new oil in it. So we've been letting the oil drain for about 15 minutes, and this is important because we want to get all the dirt out of that oil pan, all that dirty oil out. Allowing this to happen along with regular oil and filter changes will certainly help extend the life of your engine. Give it another little wipe here. We're going to use our giant red funnel, and we're going to put the rest of this Castrol GTX high mileage 5W30 in. Now for the remaining 5 quarts. The thing that I like about this big red funnel is it's a big target. It's easy to pour the oil without spilling. Nobody wants to make a mess when they're changing the oil. With a new filter, this car should take 6 quarts. So that's what we're working on here. So we're done. We're gonna cap it up, start her up, check for leaks, and reset the oil change indicator in the car, and I'll show you how to do that. To reset our oil change notification in the message center, we're going to turn the car to on. We're going to press the gas pedal 5 times quickly, and then we're going to start the car. And you'll see the oil change message blink and then turn off. I hope this video helped you. Feel free to leave comments. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.